as prime minister a few weeks ago, and he's out of office. But many Haitians see the mission as a continuation of support both for the PHTK party and for the U.S. intervening in internal affairs in Haiti.
I mean, what it does feel like is that because there's so much domestic opposition, frankly, to America putting U.S. troops on the ground in Haiti, that the Kenyan troops have become a sort of a workaround. It goes not unnoticed that Kenya is one of the largest recipients of U.S. aid. How should people perceive this? Is this, in fact, America avoiding kind of domestic outrage at sending U.S. troops in by basically paying for another country that has pretty significant aid needs to send its own troops to do the U.S.'s political bidding?
That's exactly it. And the Biden administration, for very good reason, does not want cell phone videos of American troops doing that shooting during an election year.